Let's be real for a second. AI can pass exams, write lesson plans, even explain calculus better than your high school teacher ever did. So do we even need teachers anymore? That's the big terrifying question, right? And if you're a student, a parent, or especially an educator, you've probably felt the existential "oh well" in the pit of your stomach, right? But hold up, let's actually unpack this. AI like ChatGPT is insanely good at explaining stuff. You can ask it for a breakdown of quantum physics, a summary of the French Revolution, or to turn your math homework into a rap song. It's fast, it's patient, it doesn't roll its eyes when you ask for the third time, and for students who struggle with confidence, AI feels like a safe space to learn. But just because AI can teach doesn't mean it can educate. Teaching isn't just about delivering fact, it's about human connection. It's the subtle stuff, knowing when a student needs a push and when they just need someone to say, "you're doing okay." It's noticing the kid who hasn't said a word all week and somehow getting them to raise their hand. It's reading the room, adjusting the plan on the fly, and turning a boring topic into something that clicks because you saw the spark in someone's eyes. AI can generate answers, but it can't build trust. It can't celebrate a breakthrough or sense when someone's about to give up. A great teacher doesn't just explain the material, they ignite curiosity. They make you feel like learning is an adventure, not just another checkbox. So no, not really. AI isn't replacing educators, but the smart educators, they're using AI to amplify their teaching, to save time, personalize lessons, and make content way more fun. The future isn't teachers versus AI, it's teachers plus AI. So if you're an educator wondering where you fit in this wild new world, you're more important than ever. Just don't ignore the tools. So now it's your turn. Would you feel comfortable learning from an AI full-time? If you're a teacher, are you using ChatGPT yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and remember, tech can help us learn, but people help us grow.